castles run by clowns, and all the trains move upside down. It's kind of funny, but don't be fooled, there's trouble too. The pigeons fly on frozen wings, the doctor orders your tattoo, the preacher gives us rings. Well, this place has its ups and downs, and I really think you should stay. I know you had to travel far and you're homesick, but you can be happy you are, it's true. The town, it has everything. She'll show you what she sees. It's kind of funny. In a very unusual town, the king's wearing an invisible crown, and everyone's got a set of keys, and we're all making money. In a very unusual town, there's a river that circles round, and the current goes both ways. It's kind of funny. In a very unusual town, there's a place where the children go to play, and they stay there all day. It's where they get their honey. Well, this place has its ups and downs, and I really think you should stay. I know you had to travel far and you're homesick, but you can be happy where you are, it's true. The town, it has everything.